Hello and welcome to our 5th digital test ride, and today's focus is on the Stout. So in the previous weeks we already covered Stella and Kurt, and now we're going to put the spotlight on the Stout, which similar to Stella is our all-around commuter, reliable in any situation. It doesn't look too bad either. So first we're going to dig into some details and later we're going to go for a ride. If you need an e-bike that is trustworthy and reliable, then Stout is the right bike for you. The all-around commuter bike is easy to handle and will lead you through any surface or situation. Stout is our take on the modern commuter bike. The powerful and smooth motor support gives you an outstanding riding experience, while the versatile and strong character is hidden behind the pleasantly simple look. Stout has 10 gears, a spacious rear carrier that can accommodate your weekly grocery shoppings, and a kickstand. It comes with 42mm Continental top contact 2 tyres, which are puncture protected and comfortably roll you through any urban challenge. It has powerful integrated lights, so you never have to worry about forgetting your lights home. At 17.2 kilos, you can easily carry the bike up and down the stairs when needed. Stout is an ideal commuter bike that can take on any riding situation you put it against. It comes with a handlebar which is bent inwards and has a bit of a rise. This will give you a joy riding out in the countryside. You can charge your Ampler bike via a magnetic plug on the down tube. A full charge takes 2.5 hours and has around 70km range. Stout is a reliable and durable e-bike that is trustworthy in all situations.